Thanks to satellites orbiting our Earth, we have an incredible ability to observe in near real time what's going on this home of ours. This image was actually taken just last Wednesday, on March 13th. So I was observing and looking around here, and I noticed something pretty fascinating off of the coast of Africa. You may have spotted it already. Over here, you see this rotating mass of clouds. Well, I looked it up, and it turns out that this has already been named Cyclone Idai. Just to back up briefly, you may have heard the terms before hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons. Now, it turns out that they're actually the same thing. They're tropical storms that are rotating and formed in the tropics. We use different names for these storms based on where they're found. So, when they're found in the Atlantic, I'll rotate over to show you. So Americans may be familiar with hurricanes, and hurricanes are formed in the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific. Now, when they're formed in the Northwest Pacific, close to Asia, we call them typhoons. And lastly, when they're formed in the South Pacific and the Indian Ocean, so over here, they're called cyclones. So hence, this is Cyclone Idai. Now, I looked this up and it was quite devastating. In fact, this cyclone made landfall just a day after this image was taken in Mozambique. It caused mass devastation. The winds reached over 100 miles per hour, and sad to say, hundreds of people have been killed by this storm, and many thousands displaced and injured. So these phenomena indeed are amazingly powerful.